What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we are out here with our friends from Fidelity Imports, and we are going to be showing off Perlisten, an absolutely phenomenal speaker company. Today, we are checking out the Perlisten R7t tower speaker, and we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video as well as overview video highlighting what makes this speaker so fantastic. All right, I'm going to pass it off to Kellen, our National Sales Director, and he's going to get this puppy out of the box. Let's go! Welcome back, Dreamedia family. I'd like to introduce you to Kellen, our National Sales Director. He's going to be helping us out with this unboxing. You excited, Kellen?
Oh yeah. Yeah, can't wait. Let's go.
All right, so we're going to start by tilting it over on its side, guys. We're going to open it up here and we're going to roll the speaker out.
All right, so he's removing a piece of foam. This is going to be some of the spikes and things for the bottom of the speaker.
As you guys can see, we unboxed the R212S previously. I got the gloves on. You can put these on to keep the fingerprints off your beautiful new speaker. All right, so what we did, guys, is we just rolled it on upside down, essentially, so that we can get our spikes put in and our base plate.
When you're putting these on, guys, you will see that there's some recessed portions. So the screws will set flush to the bottom of the mount plate.
These are the feet. So there's 4 screws that are actually going from the base plate into the speaker itself. And then these little sound isolators actually is where we're gonna put our carpet spikes. Our carpet spikes.
Do some elevator music while we're doing this.
Yeah. Just another day in paradise. There is an included tool here, guys, to tighten down the carpet spike. I got it pretty tight by hand, but I could tell that it wasn't quite fully on there. So you're gonna just stick this through and tighten all the way.
Included with the speakers, these are gonna be the binding post straps. So if you guys are going to be using these, easy way to put them on while the speaker is turned upside down on its head. Get these off the floor. You'll be able to loosen the binding posts up and then install if you're going to be bi-amping. This is going to allow you to do that. Alrighty guys, I'm going to flip this speaker right side up. So I'm going to grab a friend if you have someone to help you, significant other or a buddy. But I'm going to go ahead and lay it on its side. Be careful to not really touch anything that seems super fragile. Don't grab the speaker by the binding post. Try to keep your hands off the front where the drivers may be.
All right, rip that cover off. Very nice.
So again, this is the R7t, meaning the R series is their entry level. 7 is going to be the number of woofers, and T means tower. They are about 50 inches tall, 9 inches wide, and 13 inches deep. They weigh approximately 105 pounds each. They feature the DPC array for their mid-range. So if you're not familiar with the DPC array, it's going to limit the range and basically control the ceiling and floor bounce that you would get from a traditional dome tweeter. For the woofers, the R series features the HPF woofers, meaning they're hybrid pulp fiber.
All right, Dreamedia family, that is a wrap. Thanks, Kellen, for giving our audience a rundown, and big thanks to Fidelity Imports for partnering with us at Perlisten on this beautiful showroom here at the Florida Audio Expo in 2024. I hope you guys are enjoying this content and finding it informative and helping you make a buying decision. Keep in mind, Dreamedia is nationwide, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. You can call and schedule a consultation, and we'll do a full system design for you, or you can head over to our website and shop online. Well, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.